Today must be grill leg piece. Today must be grill leg piece. Very nice, very soft rice and chickens, very soft, and dahi set up, and see soup also everything. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Salad taste.